Okay, hit it. It'll take a moment.
Lights on.
Yes! Buckle up your safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance. So I'm on top of the elementary school. I got a call for no heat in the gym. It was really cold in there this morning. And that is our RTU rooftop unit over there that is not working.
I'm standing on top of the gym, and you know the kids are noisy when you can hear them through the roof.
Trying to do a little diagnosis on this heater behind me that's not working. The other day we changed a bad ignition control board on it, and that got it up and running again. But it has shut down, and the faults that I'm getting are telling me that it's not getting any gas. I'm not seeing any issues here. That pulsing light there is a regular heartbeat. If there were a high limit trip, I'd be seeing 9 quick flashes. However, this is the board we just changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm seeing 6 flashes, which could indicate that we have a gas problem.
This right here is called a regulator, and what can happen sometimes is the diaphragm in there can get stuck, which prevents the flow of gas going through.
Time for a new screwdriver.
And right here, this is a gas valve. There's a solenoid in here that can also get stuck. And on the off chance that one of them might be stuck, I'm trying to free them up.
I've turned it back on, and before throwing the disconnect and shutting down power, I took a fault code reading. There are 2 boards. There's one up in that cabinet over there, and that was fine. It had a regular heartbeat. This one was flashing 6 times, which, as I pointed out earlier, is an ignition lockout due to gas flow, gas pressure, gas valve, or flame sensor. So I'm thinking gas, and I really hope that it is just a stuck regulator, which hopefully was freed up when I was beating on it, and not a bad gas valve, because there's no way that the wholesaler will sell me, a non-licensed technician, a gas valve to replace that. We'll find out if it starts up here in a second. That inducer motor should kick on any moment now. Just like that. Igniters are trying. No bueno first try. But you know what? I'm not smelling any gas. So I have a feeling we have a bad gas valve. Which is that guy right there. I don't know how many times it'll try before it goes into lockout. It has tried 3 times already. Will it give me 4? No. 3 times is the amount that it will try. Yeah, 6 flashes. I think we have a bad gas valve. Shoot, that's not good, because I'm not allowed to change that. I feel terrible walking away from this thing right now because they've got no heat in the gym, and it was 14 degrees in there this morning. But with a bad gas valve, even if everything else is good, it's not going to run. It needs fuel. And unfortunately, I can't change it. And our HVAC go-to guy is off sick right now, so I can't call Rob. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.